How to find all combinations that equal a given sum in Excel. Do you have a list of numbers and need to find every possible combination that adds up to a specific total? For example, from this list of numbers, we want to find all combinations that add up to 200. In this video, I'll show you two practical methods. Method 1. Use Excel Solver add-in. First, enter the SumProduct formula as this. For the first argument, select the list of numbers. For the second argument, select the blank cells in the helper column. Then, press Enter to calculate the current total. Then, go to the Data tab and click Solver. In the dialog box, select the formula cell you have created in the Set Objective section. In the To section, select Value of, and enter the target value 200. Next, select the cell range, where we'll mark your corresponding numbers. Then, click Add button. In the Add Constraint dialog box, select the cells under Helper column. Then, choose Bin from the drop-down. Click OK. And then, click Solve button. After analyzing, a Solver Results dialog box is popped out. Click OK button. Now, the numbers that add up to 200 are marked with 1 in column B. This method finds only one matching combination. If you need to find all matching combinations quickly, Kutools for Excel makes it easy. Method 2. Use Kutools for Excel. For a faster solution to list all combinations, you can use Kutools for Excel. Click Kutools tab. Content. Select Make up a number. In the dialog box, select the data source. Then enter the total number into the Sum text box. You can optionally limit the number of combinations and elements per combination. Check the Save in a New Sheet box will list the combinations in a new sheet. Click OK button. Now, all combinations that equal to that given number are displayed in a new sheet. That's how you can find combinations that equal a given sum in Excel. If this video helped you, please like it and follow us for more Excel tips.